What is variable aliasing in Python? Imagine you have a box of your favorite chocolates and you give two friends the same box. Both friends now refer to that same box of chocolates. If one friend eats a chocolate, the other friend notices it too. This is similar to what happens with variable aliasing in Python. In Python, variables do not hold the actual data but instead hold references or pointers to objects stored in memory. When you assign one variable to another, you are not creating a new copy of the object. Instead, both variables point to the same object in memory. This means they are aliases of each other. For example, if you create a list called with some numbers in it, and then assign y to x, both y and x now refer to the same list. If you change the list through y, the change will also be visible when you access it through x. This is because there is only one list object, and both variables are just different names for it. This behavior is especially important when working with mutable objects like lists, dictionaries, or sets. Mutable objects can be changed after creation, so aliasing can lead to unexpected results if you modify an object through one variable and forget that another variable also points to it. To avoid this, you can create a copy of the object instead of just assigning it. For lists, you can do this by slicing the list with a colon inside square brackets. For example, newList equals oldList sliced with a colon, which makes a new list with the same elements. You can also use the copy module to make a copy of more complex objects. On the other hand, immutable objects like integers, strings, and tuples cannot be changed once they are created. Python often reuses these objects internally to save memory, but because they cannot be altered, aliasing does not cause side effects with them. Understanding variable aliasing helps you write better Python code. If you are not careful, you might accidentally change data that other parts of your program relying on. Knowing how assignment works with mutable objects allows you to prevent bugs and keep your data safe. So remember, when you assign one variable to another in Python, you are not copying the object but creating an alias. Changes through one alias affect all other aliases because they all point to the same object. To keep data separate, always create a copy of mutable objects before modifying them. This way, you can control when and how your data changes, making your programs more predictable and reliable.